Hello, I am Pratibha. I am basically belongs to Karnataka, and then I have completed my B.Tech from Presidency University Bangalore in the year 2020. And after that, I was looking for a job in the networking domain. Then I got to know about this aviation technologies through the Naukri.com. Then I decided to join this aviation technology. This aviation technology basically a manpower outsourcing IT recruiting company. Then I joined this aviation technology and I have learned many technologies like CCNA, Windows administration, Windows troubleshooting and cyber security. In the networking part, I have learned about virtualization, the use of hypervisors and devices protocols and OSI and TCP and IP protocols and the layers of OSI and also their application features, and I have learned about IPv4 and IPv6, and then I have learned about hypervisors and how to install the VMware, and also I have learned about the cables, wireless technologies, IEEE standards, and I got to know the insights of IP addressing class ranges as well. And in the Windows administration, I have learned about how to install the Windows 10 and boot mode configuration and MBR versus legacy, local groups, local users and groups, work group as well, and domain, how to add and remove, how to add the domain to the work group, and also FTP management, printer management, disk fragmentation and defragmentation, how to clean up the disk as well, and also printer troubleshooting. Then I have learned about the domain controllers, like types of domain controllers, ADC, PDC, CDC and RODC, how to install it, and the network commands like NSLOOKUP and also ipconfig. And in the Windows troubleshooting part, I have learnt about BSOD error and how to troubleshoot it, and black screen error, and also the BitLocker encryption, how to encrypt the data through BitLocker encryption, BitLocker, and then Windows Defender, firewall, and WS server, and DHCP, PIPA troubleshooting, and then how in the Outlook I have learnt about IMAP and POP protocols, and how to troubleshoot the Outlook. The main thing in the ITIL concepts, I have learnt like incident problem and incident management tickets. It is a ITIL, it is used to set infrastructure in the organization. In that I have learned how to set up ticketing tools. And in the CCNA part, I have learnt about subnets and static and dynamic routing, 3 modes of ISO and IP configurations, and RIP, IGRP, OSPF and EIGRP, and ACL to filter and configure, to filter and match the traffic in the network, and also the NAT, VLAN technologies and how to configure the VLAN and cabling part, multi-switching as well. And I have learnt about in the cyber security, like I have learnt about cyber security, types of cyber security, and also the malware attacks and the virus, and also the Trojan horse, and types of attacks like reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, clearing tracks as well, and the Linux commands also. And I have learnt about Nmap, what is Nmap, and the Metasploit, the Metasploit, and also the Wireshark as well. And also now I have like a confidence to lend up my passion towards success and to crack any interviews. Now I have gratitude to learn about new technologies in the future, to enhance my skill, to build up my career through this aviation technologies. I got hands-on experience and practicals of many technologies and skills. So I have thanks to this aviation, and I have achieved it. Thank you.